Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is where you are. This is some amazing flyers with the Cash Cow program. Hey, you want to see this flyer? Want to see over 40, 50 flyers that we have and postcards? Go to www.cashcowprogram.com. That's www.cashcowprogram.com. Click on any of the flyers there. All right, click on any of the flyers there and it would enlarge just like this one. Today we're talking about animals, okay? And these are a couple of the flyers I'm going to show you today. This one is the Money Chick 100. The Money Chick 100. This gets you paid $100 and 5 books of stamps over and over again. So it's a really low startup, okay? Now, I want you to imagine getting cash and stamps in the mail. And the reason I added the 5 books of stamps to this flyer is that now you'll be getting free stamps, so you continue to mail and mail without paying for stamps, okay? Also, you'll be getting a marketing kit with this flyer, and with that particular marketing kit, you're gonna see where I get my stamps for 10 cents. 10 cents each, okay? Now, let's get into the flyer. Look how it's designed. Such a beautiful flyer. Okay, there's box 1, champion discount, and box 2. Right now, you have what I call first movers advantage. First movers advantage because there's no one else on this flyer. Your name will go right here. Okay, when someone gets started, they're sending $100 and 5 books of stamps to box 1, and they're sending $100 and 5 books of stamps to you. That's box number 2. Okay, so, but for you, you're just sending $100 and 5 books of stamps. That's what I call first movers advantage. Look how beautiful this is orchestrated. Look at that, people. Can you imagine getting this in the mail on glossy paper in color? It's time. It's time for you to do something in your life and with your life that's going to allow you to make a second income from home. And some people it's going to be a third one with the Money Chick flyer. Go to www.cashcowprogram.com and click on any flyer you want. Take a look at the Money Chick flyer. Okay, now what's going to happen is a person going to make, let's say, 2 copies of this flyer. All right, you're going to make 2 copies. You keep one for yourself, all right, and you mail one to box number 1 with the $100 and 5 books of stamps. What I'm going to send to you, okay, I'm going to send you the marketing kit, my new Mailbox Cash Money marketing kit. I'm going to send you 120 leads. Okay, now these are different type of leads. These are leads that's going to have a person name, address, email address, and phone number, because sometimes people move, people. These are updated leads. They move, but their email address doesn't change, and it's rare that their phone number changes. So you can text this flyer to them. You just download it on your phone, and guess what? Now, you could just simply text someone this flyer. If they reply to it, guess what? You get paid $100 and 5 books of stamps. Also, what I'm going to send to you is $1,000 in grocery coupons of your choice. Look, people, you can't lose with the grocery coupons that you choose because they're items that you know that you use. It makes sense, okay? Now, the other flyer that we have is going to be the Quick Duck Buck flyer. The Quick Duck Buck 100, 200, or 300. Now this is a little different because they get to select whether they're going to send you $100, $200, or $300. Okay, now this is where residual income comes in. Okay, this is where residual income comes in. And the thing is, the person pick where they can start and what they can want to do. All right, if they choose the $100, they're going to select here, and they're going to send $100 and 5 books of stamps to Champion Discount right here. All right, now when you get started, your name going to go to box number 2. All right, now a person that get started if they do the 200. Now what they're going to do is send 200 to box 1, 200 to you in box number 2. All right. Now, this is where the residual come in, because when that person from your flyer gets started, their name, your name goes to box number 3. This is where your name go. Their name go to box number 2. And if they start at the 100, they send $100 to 1, $100 to box number 2, and $100 to you. And all you have done was the work one time of getting started. It is simple, it is easy as that, and it works. And it works, people. Again, the quick duck buck, 100, 200, and 300. All right. Now, you're going to also get the grocery coupons. Okay, $1,000 in grocery coupons of your choice. Look at this flyer, people. It is so simple. It is so easy to do. And guess what? You reap the benefits of it. You reap the benefits from this. It is time for you to do something different in your life that's going to make a change. These flyers work. I hope you enjoyed this. Again, the Money Chick 100 and the Quick Duck Buck 100, 200, and 300. You could go to www.cashcowprogram.com. That's cashcowprogram.com. You can give me a call, 346-704-1754. That's 346-704-1754. Just say which flyer you want. But again, it is so simple. It is so easy. Go to cashcowprogram.com. That's cashcowprogram.com and click on any of the flyers that you want. You simply click on that flyer. It will enlarge just like this or just like this. And you just fill it out. Your name, address, city, state, email, zip code. The reason I ask for that is so when someone sends something in the mail runs at different times. All right, I may get it before you. If I get something in the mail, okay, I'm going to call you and ask you if you received your package. If you have not received your package, I will put it together for that person, okay? But I won't send it to them until you let me know that you got paid. And I ask you to do the same thing. If you get anything in the mail, make sure you call me or email me, let me know so I can put that person information together and look out for their payment. Okay, that's it. CashCowProgram.com, the Money Chick Flyer, and the Quick Duck Buck. Have a great day, evening, night, whatever time it is where you are